heading off a little bit later than planned today. Slept in. It's always more tiring than it's worth getting the overnight train or bus, which is what I did to get to Malaysia this time. Just leaving the hotel. There's a lot of street art in Penang, which is kind of a tourist attraction, and there's quite a few on the road down to my hotel. There he is, the main man, Mr. Bean. And there's Mona Lisa drinking some wine. So yeah, not sure if I would recommend the hotel. It's alright, it's pretty basic. Very nicely priced actually. But yeah, some cool street art on the drive down there. Today I'm going to try and get to the War Museum and the old fort in the town of Georgetown. So yeah, a few things to do, better get going because it's already lunchtime. I don't know what that building is. Ah, the town hall. I guess that's the town hall. I presume the Penang town hall. I don't know if you can see, but they've got the two flags. They've got the Malaysian flag on the left and then the flag of Penang on the right. That's a very beautiful building. Just looking for a spot to sit down. This park looks quite nice as well. A big open park just behind me. So yeah, the town hall was British built in the 1880s. That's one of the more interesting things about Penang, is all the different architecture. There's a few different ethnic groups who've called this place home, or I guess added to the architecture. Obviously the indigenous Malay people. There's a little Chinatown and a little India, and you can see the influences of those two countries. And then the island was also part of the British Empire in the 1800s. I think it was quite a while as well, 200 years, claimed by the East India Company. And the sort of area around where Fort Cornwallis is very sort of British, or at least European in architecture, as you can see from the town hall. Some of the other buildings as well, not just the town hall. There's quite a lot of buildings on the streets in Georgetown that look very British. They've got kind of those big stones, which is quite foreign to this part of the world. You know, it's pretty unusual being on a tropical island. I don't know, literally palm trees. And then you see buildings that would look not out of place in Birmingham or Manchester. It's quite interesting to go and see. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to check out some of those buildings, planning on going to the fort next. Just stopped under the shade of a tree because it's a bit hot, and we're going to look around Fort Cornwallis in just a moment. And I'm going to check out the town hall and whatever building that is first, and then there's also a clock tower to Queen Victoria that I want to go and check out as well. So yeah, this one here is the town hall. Very ornate. And then that white building on the other side over there apparently is the City Hall, Penang City Hall. So yeah, they've got a town hall and a city hall apparently. So yeah, that one's the Penang City Hall. You can see mainland Malaysia just over there. It's only a short boat ride out to Penang Island. I don't know what this monument is. It looks like a war memorial perhaps. last week of it. Must be. It's 1914 to 1918, so probably a World War I memorial here. World War One, World War Two also, which I don't know what happened here in World War One, but World War Two is quite interesting. Essentially, it was a flee and a retreat to Singapore by the British naval forces who were here. Death Railway, World War Two, Bicycle. Penang Veterans Association. The Malayan emergency, the Indonesian confrontation, and the resurgency period, 1968 to 1990. So a war memorial. The original cenotaph in the middle appears to be thought to commemorate World War I. However, obviously other wars have since been added. Fort Cornwallis, built on the coast. It was a naval sort of fortification, but it never actually saw any battles. It was more of a, I think it was used as a police station and a sort of for official business. Built by the East India Company in 1880, I think. So looks like it's an old ship over there as well. Hopefully we can go and have a look at that too. I wouldn't have stopped for him if I'd have seen he was a Liverpool fan. So last time I came to Penang, it was a few years ago, and the entire fort was shut because of renovations. I think they're still renovating part of it, but I did read online you can go and look around most of it. Some old British cannons there on the side of the fort. There. Modern navy next to the old fort. The Malaysian Navy base there. The modern Malaysian flag. What, no, I should just say the Malaysian flag. There we go. Fort Cornwallis. That's what we came to see. See the walls around the fort.